Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn on Find My Mac. So Find My Mac is the security features that help you to locate your Mac if it is even lost or misplaced. If your Mac is signed in with your Apple account and this feature is enabled, you can use Find My app or another Apple device or visit iCloud.com to see your Mac's location. Play a sound to help find it nearby or use other available option if your Mac is lost. It's a good feature to keep enabled, especially if you travel with your Mac a lot. Before you turn on Find My Mac, make sure you are signed in with your Apple account and that location service is enabled on your Mac. Otherwise, this option may not be available. So if you'd like to turn on Find My Mac, here's what to do. First, click on the Apple menu and then choose System Settings. Now click on the Apple account at the top in the left side pane and select iCloud here. Next, click on the See All button right to Saved to iCloud and find the option Find My Mac. Now here a pop-up will appear where you have to click on Turn On. And after that a confirmation pop-up will appear. Here click on Allow. You may need to enter your Mac passcode here, so enter it and then click on OK. Now you will see two different options and then finally click on Done, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.